Welcome. Today we are going to look at modifying Dropbox assignments to accommodate students with documented disabilities that may require some extra time. So we're going to start by going to Assessment and then clicking on Dropbox. This is going to take us to our list of Dropbox folders that we previously created. So let's select the Week 1 Dropbox folder and we'll make our changes in there. So at the top, we want to click on Edit Folder, and this is going to allow us to make the modifications to our Dropbox folder. And then we are going to click on Restrictions. So let's scroll down and make sure that our dates are correct for the entire class. And then we're going to scroll down and make sure that the box is selected that says Allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates. And then we are going to add users to special access. This is going to take us into our special access screen. So we want to click to change the due date, and I'm going to allow the student an extra 7 days to submit their assignment. And then we want to also change the end date for them for an extra week as well. Then we are going to scroll down and we're going to select the students that we'd like to apply these modifications to. Finally, we're going to go down to the bottom and click Save. And this is going to make sure we save the modifications that we've made for those particular students. And now we're back in our Week 1 Dropbox Edit folder, and we need to make sure we click on Save and Close. And if we go back into the folder and we scroll down, we can see the special access that was granted to the students. And there you go. That's how you make modifications to your Dropbox folder.